11 items for only 3,500 pesos. Here's my Bangkok haul. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako masyado nakapag-shop ng maayos since I have a 1-year-old. And ang hirap pala mag-travel with a 1-year-old. Especially na breastfeeding siya. Pero may isang time na after niya mag-breakfast and after niya mag-milk, lumabas ako ng hotel. So, nakapag-shop ako in peace for 2 hours. Thank you to my husband for taking care of our Riley while I go shop. Pinuntahan ko was Platinum Mall and December's. Tapos sakto yung hotel was near Platinum Market. So, nakadaan na rin ako doon and nakashop a bit. Pero mostly, the items I bought were from December's. Let me show you my haul. So, I'll start with the cheapest one. This one is only 100 baht. So, approximately 185 pesos siya. Ito nabili ko siya sa Platinum Fashion Mall. So, this is the top. That is only 100 baht. So, super ganda ng quality niya. This is the first one. Next, we have this one. T-shirt lang. Cropped shirt siya. Bought this for 150 baht sa may Pratunam area also. So nice. Pratunam Market, yun yung parang mga bangketa lang. Kaya, ay, ang init mag-shop doon, kaya mabilisan lang talaga ako. Next, we have this one. Bought it for 100 baht din. Actually, shawl siya talaga. But, meron siyang button sa likod. So, gagamitin ko siya as breastfeeding cover. Nabili ko siya sa Pratunam Market. Ang close lang sa likod. Yeah. So nice. Ayan, pag breastfeeding. Tapos covered na cover ko all the way. Ang ganda. There. Tapos ang lambot niya. And it's only 100 baht. Next. This. Not bad for only 100 baht. Next. This one I also bought in Chatuchak Market. 175 baht. So here's the top I bought. So pretty. Ayan. So adjustable yung straps niya. So yung mga ganitong type of tops yung flowy. Naman is a skirt I bought also at Chatuchak for 200 baht. Ayan. And it has pockets. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi may pockets siya. Next we have mga nabili ko sa December. So I was able to buy a total of 4 pieces doon. And then 3 pieces doon sa isang shop lang doon. Next 3 items that I'll be showing you is 200 baht each. Approximately 370 pesos each lang siya. So this is the first stop. By the way, ito yung brand niya. Nasa 4th floor siya ng December's. Itong isang shop na pinagbilan ko na. Yung fabric niya. Ito. So, only 200 baht. Tali lang yung straps. Actually, halos magkakamukha yung mga tops na binili ko. Pero, ayun, yun kasi talaga hanap ko. Yung mga sleeveless na tops or spaghetti strap na yung sa may tummy part. And then last is, by the way, most of the shops there, bawal mag-fit.